Hey adventure lovers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're jumping into the exciting world of risky transport, where the adrenaline is pumping at every turn. Hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up so we can kick off this epic journey. Oops, that was an incredibly risky move. The speed the tractor took that turn at is way too fast for a load like that. You think you're in control? Not with trees.
That is a lot of wood.
Oh man, that's the most nerve-wracking crane takedown I've ever witnessed. What an astonishing The operator emerged unscathed.
The wind's blowing really hard. Let's go down a tree.
Looks like the predictions were spot on. Time for that house to get some TLC.
Back off.
Go slow. Building.
Hey man, remember when they taught you to control your speed going downhill by shifting to a lower gear? That level of control in a high-risk move is not something you see every day. A TAF skidder, hauling two skidders at once. It's not just work, it's a spectacular show of capability and control, truly unforgettable.
Onto the house. Onto my house, guys. House. Onto my
Yeah,
house.
I guess they've never heard of direction determining.
Great.
Oh my god, did you see that? Two trucks barely missing each other on Route 108. My heart stopped for a second. A mobile crane toppled over onto the city street. The crash so loud that bystanders were terrified, thinking it was a terrorist attack. That's crazy. You'd think a heavy-duty truck like that would be able to handle anything, but Mother Nature always wins. It's a good thing no one got hurt. Well, that's a quick way to unload the goods, isn't it? Can you believe it? A Constro S truck flipped over at the construction site. Always double check your rigging, guys. Every single time. Meet the BV206ELO, the ultimate all-terrain vehicle. It glides effortlessly over any obstacle, proving its mastery of all terrains with unmatched ease.
Здесь тоже вот новый блогер.
In a quaint village, an old 5-window house was relocated with homemade wooden sliders. The move started when 2 tractors joined by steel cables worked together. As the K700A's rear axle groaned, the T4 deftly adjusted the house, ensuring success.
Бревна-то еще старинные, большие.
Well, that's one way to take a tractor for a swim. Just kidding. A nail-biting rescue. That tractor pull was intense. I was on the edge of my seat the whole time. Looks like the team really had their work cut out for them. Incredible. Can that tanker really pull off such a feat? It seems almost impossible.
Komm mal einer. Kommen beide.
Kommt noch mal eine.
Ja.
Kommt noch mal eine.
Leaving it there for so long was careless. It would have come crashing down in the next storm.
Ja.
Das ist umfallen.
Ja.
Not any operator can do that, regardless of the damage it causes to the equipment. This man has many hours of practice, and I take my hat off. It took a ton of work to get that Caterpillar mining truck out of the drainage ditch. What a rescue! Man, that truck just said, "I'm done." Great job, cleanup crew. Thanks to machines like that skid steer, our roads are kept safe and clean. I'm pretty sure that rock weighed more than the dump truck. Someone needs to do the math on that one. Honestly, This is even better than the Star Wars trilogy. The weather was terrible, but I admire the people in charge for their constant efforts to save the bulldozer. God bless them. The snow has fallen thick, but the Gaz 66 is still working perfectly on the white snow. Look at those tires on the snow. It's truly impressive. When the rain comes down, even a beast like the Caterpillar 740 can struggle. Just a bit more gas, and it would have nailed that drift. Well, this is definitely not how I plan to start my day. Stuck in the snowstorm right when the plane's ready to leave? Ugh. Dude, this is why you gotta check your rig before you go anywhere. Get ready to witness the warriors of the road, massive trucks fearlessly crossing the river. This is classic because the crane not only dropped the load, but it finished it off on the way down. This is truly a rare event. A good example of a shock load. Get a friction device and stop tying off to a tree. Stay safe. That was the most intense game of Tetris I've ever seen. That driver is a real-life puzzle master.
Oh, Chad! Oh, đi hai, Sân!
Moving across the runway is never a simple task. The runway is always full of challenges no matter how you look at it. Heya, they seems to want to celebrate early. I dare say that the Ursus 330 has bald tires, but the Ursus 330 has a higher rope, which on the other hand gives it an advantage. Nevertheless, even if it was 1-to-1, I still did not expect that ZRX K25 would do so well.
Enquanto muitas mulheres estão por aí gastando o dinheiro da pensão dos filhos, enquanto muitas mulheres estão por aí pensando em gastar a pensão dos filhos, que o marido...
Oh my God. The truck driver must have nerves of steel to take that chance.